our lookbook shoot and we're just starting to do makeup. Kimmy's half done and I'm just getting my base on. So excited. It's really hot out there. It's a beautiful day for it. By the time we film this evening, it should be just gorgeous. So hopefully we'll get that beautiful evening light.
I'm using the Anastasia Beverly Hills foundation stick in the shade beige. And she looks very pale at the moment, but you know, it's all
I am
good.
pale anyway.
Yes, well, that's true. That's true.
Cool. So you're saying I might have eyebrows by then? I hope I'll have eyebrows by then.
No eyebrows! So I'm doing Vicky's eye makeup and I'm doing something a little bit smoky for her look. So I'm using the ColourPop, what is this? The I Think I Love You palette. It's really nice, lots of neutrals and shimmers and some black. So yeah, we're just going to do a bit of a smoky eye for Vicky. Everything in this outfit was from my closet, really. This jacket, Vicky put a sparkly hood on for me, but I'm pretty sure I've had this denim jacket for about 10 years. My t-shirt is just a plain white t-shirt, and this leather skirt I've had for absolutely ages. These boots were just a pair of leopard boots that I had actually given to Vicky to use for like photo shoots because I didn't wear them. And then I promptly took them back and covered them in crystals, and now they're amazing. So yeah, everything I have on, I already owned. Invest is something I picked up for $6 at a charity shop, and I've upcycled it by painting the back, adding the studs and the flowers. The dress is a dress that I've had in my wardrobe for years. The shoes I found in a charity shop for $15 the other day. They're pleaser and they were brand new. They hadn't even been worn. And my little bag is upcycled from the sequin and satin scraps from my customizable dresses and skirts collection, and then I've added the same patches and some stars to it. Okay, so this shirt was one that we found op shopping the other day. It cost like $6 and it's brilliant. I really love the big cuffs on it. And the skirt that I'm wearing actually was an old pair of jeans that were just kind of too worn to do anything with. So Vicky turned it into a little sparkly mini for me. And this necklace I've just had forever. The shoes are shoes that I've just had forever. And yeah, that's about it. So this outfit, the corset is the Adore corset from my customizable Rockstars and Royalty collection in red sequins and black lace.
The jacket I found at an op shop for $6. It is my granny jacket, I call it, and I absolutely love it. I think you can just wear it with all sorts of different things. The shorts are made from a pair of $2 op shop jeans. The boots I have had for years and live in them. They're the most comfortable boots ever, and hopefully they'll keep going for a long time yet. And my bag was upcycled from a pair of jeans. Again, they were from a charity shop, but they were too worn to be sold. They were really worn through, so they didn't actually cost me anything. And the inside is lined with a leopard print top that was again found in a charity shop. And then I've hand painted Do or Die on there, because that was the song that inspired my whole upcycle collection called Dream Out Loud. Today's been so much fun. I've had so much fun pulling the outfits together, doing the upcycling to make it all come together as well, and this evening shooting and posing and walking and having a drone flying over us has just been brilliant fun. And I hope that we've inspired people to go and look in their own wardrobes, think about how they can wear things that they already own a little bit differently, think about going op shopping instead of going to a fast fashion store to put a look together. And just have fun with it, be creative. You don't have to follow trends, you can just find your own style and just rock whatever you want to wear.
I've seen a lot of lookbooks where it's dripping with money. You know, the clothes are the designer, or if they're not designer, they're like fast fashion and they're filmed in mansions, or, you know, and they're expensive, and we wanted to make people aware that you could get stuff from your own closet, you could find a cool industrial kind of location and make something amazing.
Don't try and be like everyone else, be yourself. Just find your own thing, do your own thing, find your own style, and just be you. But wherever you live in the world, there will be an op shop or a charity shop or a thrift store, depending on where you live, what you call them. There's going to be somewhere near you that you can go and find something. You can check out eBay. There's so many Facebook groups as well for buying and selling fashion. Hold clothes swaps with your friends and trade clothes. If you've got something you've bought and you've never worn, chances are your friends have too. So get everyone together, bring along all your unwanted stuff and trade clothes. You get a whole new outfit and it will cost you nothing.
How did you decide what makeup to use today?
Well, it was all down to the fact that I know Vicky really well. We've been friends for a long time. I know what sort of things that she loves. And
Subtle.
And I knew what she was going to be wearing too. So with makeup, there's no rules, but think about what you're going to wear and think about what can really accentuate that, make it better, you know, and have fun with it, because makeup is just, you can wipe it off.
Exactly, it's like clothes. There is no right and wrong. You don't have to follow trends, you can do your own thing, and no one can tell you what's wrong or right. It's creating a little bit of art in your face. Yeah, like you say, you wash it off at the end of the day and do something new tomorrow. So just play, have fun, experiment, and don't be afraid to get it wrong, because there is no wrong.
Cool.
Thanks for watching our lookbook. I hope you feel inspired to get creative, to maybe mix up your style and experiment a little bit. Please subscribe to all 3 of our channels. We've all got very different information. I'm Rockstars and Royalty, and on my channel you'll find lots of sewing and upcycling tutorials and styling tutorials.
I'm Who Shot the Photographer, so if you want to learn how I made this video or how I edit my photos, how I edit the photos from today, you can check me out as well.
And I am Kimmy from What Would Blair Do, and I do makeup tutorials, hair tutorials, beauty reviews, and all things pretty and sparkly.
And check out the Just Be Revolution as well. Kimmy and I are co-founders of this movement to inspire everyone to have the confidence to be themselves. We've got a YouTube channel, Facebook page, and a blog. and a website. So check us out.
Awesome. Thanks guys. Thanks for watching.
Bye.
Bye.